Hello, I'm currently in Sanur on Bali in Indonesia. I just went to the grocery store for a couple things. I'm not really buying like actual groceries since coming to Indonesia because the fresh cooked food at the restaurants is relatively cheap and it's easier just to buy my meals at a restaurant rather than try to make it in a hotel. And most of the hotels don't have kitchens anyway, so at least not the ones I'm staying at. So I just got a couple things. So for this, it was $72,920, which is $5 or $6 US, something like that. So it's like you take off like most of the numbers to get like $7, but the conversion rate is less than 1 to 1, so it's like $5 probably, something like that. It was not bad at all. Well, I didn't get that much anyway, so. But I did get some drinks, and I found these, and this was one of my favorite drinks in Korea, and they have it here. It might actually be an Indonesian brand, but they have more flavors. So this one, actually this is just lychee, which I already had before, but they have this mango one, and they also had like straight up coconut, and they had like 2 or 3 other flavors that I'll have to try later. And these are cheaper than in Korea. So these were under $1. And in Korea, they were like $1.50 or something like that. So a little bit cheaper. This is another, I like that flavor. It's another drink. This is like I guess it's kind of like a seltzer water or something. It's not a soda necessarily, or I actually haven't checked the sugar content, so I don't know, but it's nice. I got 2 water bottles. My hotel I'm currently in gives free filtered water, but I needed one just to like have a bottle. I need another one because I found Pocari Sweat mix packets. So these are the powder that makes Pocari Sweat, and then I'm gonna put it inside of one of these bottles and just have Pocari Sweat whenever I want. Well, for 5 can you see in there? 5 at 13 grams. I don't know. Anyway, this was also super cheap. I think it was like under $1. And the Pocari Sweat here is not expensive anyway, but this is even cheaper than buying the pre-made Pocari Sweat. And then I got, I need some conditioner because my hair is really dry. So this is a small 75 ml bottle so I can take it with me if I go on a plane. And I need that. And then I got some cookies. I was trying to find like local stuff, but I don't actually know. I need to look up what brands are local here, and because there's a lot of Australian and British things that get imported, so I don't know. This could be local, this could be imported, who knows. And I had to get a tote bag because the one that I have was being used for laundry, which, speaking of, my laundry came back. So this bag is from another supermarket. I had a nicer tote bag that folded up real small, and then I went to Monkey Forest and the monkey stole it. So now I've got these grocery store tote bags. Here is my laundry. Just comes in a little thing like that, and it's all pressed and hopefully not shrunk. And this was only $15,000, which is less than $2. I'm pretty sure she was supposed to charge me a little bit more for that because it was $20,000 per kilo, and I think this is a kilo, but I don't know. We'll see. Maybe we'll have to do a price adjustment later. Well, anyway, my whole load of laundry, like if I wash everything except for like whatever I'm wearing, it's still only like 2 kilos, maybe a little bit more. Not including the rain jacket. So even that at like 40 or 50,000, that's still like $3, which, not having to do my own laundry and having it come back dry is great for under that price. you do run the risk of things shrinking, which the last time they did shrink a pair of my socks and I had to leave them behind because they really just didn't fit on my feet anymore. But luckily now I am a sandals person, so I don't even really need socks at the moment. So that's fine. Anyway.